Good day all, so welcome back to our channel. So if you're on a low budget and you're looking for a UK used iPhone with a 48 megapixel camera, powerful processor, dynamic island, a 120Hz refresh rate and a larger 6.7 inches display, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is the best bet. In this video, we are going to be talking about the full specification, the pros and cons, and the price of the UK used iPhone 14 Pro Max in Nigeria in 2026. Aside from the good side of this device has the bad side, which we are going to be talking about at the end of the video. Please watch till the end. So let's start with the specifications. The device was unveiled in September 2022 and it has been around since then. And this device comes with a glass front and glass back with a stainless steel frame. There is a physical SIM option, there is a nano SIM option. All of them come standard with IP68 dust and water resistant rating. At the front of this device is a 6.8 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, meaning that is ideal for both heavy gaming, scrolling, watching movies, and doing anything you want to do. It comes with a screen resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels, and it also comes standard with a ceramic shield glass for protection. Coming over to this processor, this device is packed with Apple A16 Bionic processor, and this processor is very fast and is still a very good processor to use in 2026. Is ideal for both heavy gaming like Call of Duty and the rest. Coming over to this operating system, the button with the iOS 16 and can be upgradable to the latest iOS 26.5. Moving over to the storage option, is available in 4 storage options, including 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and the top of the range 1 TB storage option, and all of them come standard with 6 GB of RAM. Coming over to the camera, which is the best part of this device is the first iPhone to debut with 48 megapixel camera. At the rear of this device is a triple camera setup consisting of a 48 megapixel wide lens, 12 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. So if you are using this phone for content or using it for shooting videos or even taking photos, the device is a good one to buy. Additionally, it comes with a dual LED dual tone flash at the rear to help you capture clean photos and record videos in all lighting conditions. It can shoot videos at up to 4K, and this device comes with cinematic mode. At the front is a 12 megapixel selfie wide lens that shoots clean photos and videos at up to 4K. And this device comes with a Li-ion 4323 mAh battery that can charge from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. This is almost standard across all the iPhone grade, and it comes standard with 15-watt wireless MagSafe charging and the 15-watt wireless Pure i2 charging. Before we dive into the pricing, let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros: it comes with premium design, excellent camera, powerful processor, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, great battery life, and the long software support. So with this device, you can still use it for a couple of years before they cut off the support for software. Talking about the cons, the major cons there is that this device still uses the lightning cable, so there's no Type-C on this model. So if you're a person that uses both Android phone and the iPhone, you will be carrying 2 cables around. So that's the downside of it. Aside from that, there's no other issue with this device. Then let's talk about the pricing. The pricing of the UK used iPhone 14 Pro Max in Nigeria in 2026 starts at 620,000 naira and goes up to 800,000 naira depending on the storage option you are buying, and also depends on the SIM option, because the eSIM is way cheaper than the physical SIM. So if you're on a low budget, opt for the eSIM. You will definitely love it. So what do you think about this device? If you need this device, do want to reach out to Alpha Luxury Gadget on 09043237566 for clean devices at an affordable rate. Also, if you want to know the full price list of UK used iPhones in Nigeria, we have a video on that. You can check the link in the description. Please do like and subscribe, because we'll be making more videos on the iPhone 14 Pro, the 15 Pro, the 15 Pro Max, and every other devices that you might think of.